Well, with the nice weather here, more and more people out biking. And in this week's Know the Law segment, Tom Sinas from Sinas Dramis Law Firm joining us to talk about what you need to know to stay safe on those roadways out there. Tom, obey traffic laws and signs. Seems simple enough, but boy, it's really important.
Really important, and really important for everybody. It's important for those of us who drive cars, and it's important for those of us that ride bikes. Most people don't know that cycling accidents are most commonly the result of a motorist who doesn't see a cyclist.
Okay.
And a lot of that is just because we have so many more cyclists on our roads now and so much more cycling infrastructure, bike lanes, bike paths, those kind of things. And if you learned to drive a long time ago, you may not have been told that when you're about to make a right-hand turn, you need to look over your shoulder to make sure there isn't a cyclist in the cycling lane.
Interesting. Blind spot, you'd like to hope they wouldn't be in your blind spot also. We hope they'd show up in your mirror, but you certainly need to look over your shoulder as well.
That's a great point. Cyclists can be in a blind spot you never knew you had.
Right.
And they can be there legally. It's just a blind spot that you need to learn to look out for.
Much shorter bike, shorter than a car, so it's certainly a better chance of it being in your blind spot. Stay on the right side of the road. Seems simple enough, but boy, it's important.
It sure is. It's certainly true for cyclists. They are expected to ride on the right side of the road. They should not be riding more, as we say, than two abreast. But for motorists, the same thing is true. Obviously, they need to stay on the right side of the road, but they need to know that on the right side of the road is where you're most likely to find a cyclist. Again, the bike lane is a perfect example. Right. You're getting ready to make a right-hand turn, you got to think about who else might be on the right side of that road.
And it kind of goes to the both points. The last one, be safe, be visible. You got to be visible out there.
You do. You know, there's no law that says that a cyclist has to wear a neon jacket, for example, or anything more than a reflector. But one thing cyclists can do just to be safe is to wear bright colored clothing. Or, for example, I know you guys here give away some of those flashing lights. And I think it's always a good idea to have those on your bike even during the daytime. It can just help draw attention to the fact that you're on a bicycle and you want other people to see it.
Some good points. If people want more information from you, how can they track you down?
They can track us down online, or they can give our office a call. We are sinusdramis.com, or they can give us a call in Grand Rapids at 616-301-3333, or they can send us an email, info@sinusdramis.com.
Some important tips as the weather is warm. We're just about to summer, so a lot of people get outside and ride their bikes.
There's going to be a lot of people on the roads doing a lot of different things. If we all try to look out for each other, everybody's going to have a safer summer.
Sounds like a good idea. Thanks, Tom. Appreciate it.
Thanks, Derek.